Hello there, Julius Anthony here, internet marketer for the last couple of years, about 3 years or so. Been offline for a while. It's been pretty hectic, as I do run my own business as well. But just to, I'm gonna give you a quick update about what I've been doing. I hope to make another video by the end of the year, or before the year ends, about some of the things that's been happening. So the last time I made a video is probably about 2 months ago, but just giving you an update on my account. And if you remember, if you've been following, if you've subscribed to my YouTube channel, it's been since January we've been making videos to see how the progress of this particular account is going and what other things I intend to do. Now, I do have a few other accounts, but in the light of some of the contacts that I have been getting, I've made this video as simple as possible and as very basic as I can for anybody, and I say anybody, that can get involved, no matter what you have or whatever finances you don't have. So FutureAdpro is actually a sort of a member of FutureNet, which is a social media site. For the over, I think when I started the videoing of this, I think the ad packs that I had, if I remember correctly, it was about 20 something. So this year in total, I probably put out of my own pocket maybe about $700 for the whole year out of my own pocket. Everything has been generated from the site itself. So the fact that I've got up to 100 is a good thing. If you look at my January video, I'm sure it was way below that. If you can go back, maybe my end of the year, I will go back to that and we'll see how this has grown. So during the course of the year, what I've decided to do is sort of stay focused on just the $50 ad packs, because they sort of work much faster and give you more profit rather than the $10 ad packs. And you will see that these numbers will be going up very quickly. And while I'm here, I have enough money in there to be able to buy some ad packs. So if we can just gonna do that right now. I'm gonna give 2. It should come up saying that's been accepted. The internet is slow, but while that's happening, let's go and do some other things. So it's coming up to the end of the year. We've got about 150, but I'm gonna say it's 125. I'm gonna really more start counting just really the $50 ad packs, because they're more valuable. They just, I mean, the $10 ad pack, just they process in about it's almost 80% less. So I'm not going to be dealing with that anymore. And so and that's what I made during the year. I think it's 7-8 months into the year. So okay, that's enough. But the other thing I have been I need to get you to watch out for is I've been following a couple of other things that I wanted. If you remember correctly, that I wanted to get involved in other sites, and a couple of them are brought up online. This one I will do a video possibly either at the end of the year when I'm doing my end of the year review. And this is a trading website which I've been following for over a year now, and I know my mentors actually referred me to this, but I sort of held back until this month. So with this month, this is the back office, and at the moment this is what's generated. So today's a Friday, and what tends to happen is on a Friday, all that amount I'm gonna get. What tends to happen is you give them a certain amount. So in my account is $700. Now from that $700, they're actually going to be using that money to trade for you, so I actually don't need to do anything, which is one of the things that I like about this account. So every day you get 1% added, an equivalence. 1% here gets added to this sum here, and so 1% of $700 is about $7. So by the end of the day, I'll have about $23, which will be transferred automatically into this wallet here. And so I can now transfer from that wallet to here and either buy another binary pan or whatever. But it's another thing that I'm looking at. I don't want to go too deep into that. The fact is, whatever funds you have in this account, it will get traded for you while you're learning how to trade yourself. It gives a whole lot of things about how to trade online. There's another account I have which is called I haven't got it up, but about a few accounts. I've got 4 or 5. Let me see if I can get to another one. This account I've also come up. I've decided to go on this again. I've been studying this for over a year, and it's something I should have done before. Easy one up if you haven't heard of it, and it's a way of getting funds sort of like just right now, immediately. And so that again is at the end of the year. I'm going to be talking more on that. I have talked over the years that you need what you call you need to drive traffic to your website if you want people to see what you do, and if you want to sign up a team. And this is one of the traffic sources that I use. You can see there I ordered something a couple of days back, and actually from this order I have had no less than I think 35 opt-ins, if I remember correctly. No sales yet, but you see, it's about people seeing your website. You want as many people seeing your website. Eventually, a bit like me, I didn't sign up until very, very late. So it's people seeing your website, people seeing your videos, people seeing your blogs. Every so often, they eventually know who you are before they actually buy anything from you. So it's Solo Checker is one of those sites where I buy my traffic from. And there will be a links down below if you want the details of that. And other things you want to be getting onto, or this is my business. So at the moment, this business I have, I'm a driving instructor, and at the moment I have about a couple of months where it's sort of quiet, and I'm going to use that month to give myself some targets for the coming year. And I think I'm going to start off from January till March, when it will begin to get so busy again that I will hardly have any time to do anything. This is my marketing system. To start off with this, you have leads lightning that you can do. If you can't, I've had this for a number of years now, and let me just go to the training bits, and this is some of the training. The training alone it's worth so much. I'm trying to get into. So when you train, when you go into when you buy the Power Lead, this is the full-blown power marketing system, you get so many things that you can actually do. So I'm just clicking to one of these topics, and this is telling us about what to do about Facebook. So if you're not new to Facebook or anything, this is where you can get you can start to get some information on how to do this. So I'm not going to do that now, but for just for you to notice how powerful it is. Endless leads is what we've heard before as well. I have access to that as well, and you can see how much this is valued at $300. I don't pay that, but I have to pay a fee for this lead lightning system, which is about $54 per month. Now that $54 per month is going to be coming out from this account and from that account, so it's not coming from my pocket. I am going to give a few view of what I'm going to be doing in the whole year, but for now we're going to end up this video with, this is where we're at. We have 124 $50 ad packs and 21 $10 ad packs. The $10 ad packs, I would rule them out because they're going to go to zero. I'm not going to be renewing them anymore. I'm just going to be doing the $50 ad packs, and hopefully by the end of the year that should be about 130. I'm going to sign off for now. I'm going to prepare myself for the end of the year. I promise to come back and give you the end of the year review and see what we're going to be doing for the new year and how we're going to start off another video session of how our accounts are running. Oh, talking about FutureAdpro have brought out another series, and they've been offline for the last 2 weeks. So the fact that I've only got 124, I've actually, it hasn't been constant or consistent, but there's been a reason to that because there's bringing out a new product. But anyway, enough for now. If you want to get hold of me, just can help you get on the road to financial independence. Bye for now.